Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to cover a product which is Make Sense Pearlizer. It is part of our foundation collection, so that's why it comes in the similar size bottle. Since it's part of the foundation, it comes in both the formulas. We carry two of them. One is the original and the other one is anti-aging. So they both comes with Senaplex complex. So obviously they are going to have anti-aging benefits to it. But when it comes to the anti-aging foundation, it will have more ingredients that will keep you moisturized, because the main reason for wrinkles or any signs of aging is loss of water content in the skin, and that's why it becomes dry and shows signs of aging. So it comes in both the formulas, and there will be a slight difference. The original foundation is a warm tone, whereas the anti-aging foundation is a cool tone. So they have a slight difference between them. I don't have the tester for the anti-aging one. I will show it sometime in the future. This is the one I've been using. You can see how much I have used so far, and with the airless pump you can see it has clearly swiped every single bit of it. So this will come for another at least 1 year or some more for me. That is how much you will use this product. The purpose of the product is to give like a luminous finish, so it gives like a healthy glow wherever you use. Even though it's part of the foundation, you can pretty much use it anywhere in your body. Like I'm going to show some of the ways you can use it on your face, and also how to use it on your body. You being a foundation, you can apply all over too before going ahead. But I like to always mix it, or if you're using on directly, then you will start with like a tiny bit to go with it. As I said, the first way will be just using like a tiny bit all over your face before you go ahead with the foundation. And the other way, if you are not a foundation person and if you don't want to use anything, you can still mix it with our daytime moisturizer. Let me go ahead and show you that first. So I'm going to take a bit of my daytime moisturizer here, and then I'm going to take a tiny bit of pearlizer here. Do you see? I'm going to mix them both. This is actually for your face, the days you don't want to use the foundation. So I'm going to apply it all over my hand for you to see. This one you will use it on your face just to give that healthy glow. For the days you don't want any foundation or including CCTM. So that way you will still have a little bit of coverage, but you will have a healthy shine to it. Can you see the glow it gives? Like, I mean, you will have, your face will have that nice and healthy shine all over, but at the same time, you don't need any foundation to go with it. So this will be the first simple look. Let me first show you how it will look. Like for example, you have already applied daytime, and then you are going ahead and applying it all over. So you can do it either way. This is a lot, you can see. It is, you just need like a tiny bit for your whole face. I just wanted the video to pick, so I have used like a half a pump. But you will just start with maybe like a quarter pump, or even just a dot, and then do you see it? It will get nicely absorbed. This is another way to use it. So you will just use it as it is on your whole face. You can use a foundation brush, or you can use it with your hands, and just start with like a tiny drop and then just apply it all over. Since it is part of the foundation, it has a bit of coverage to it. So the next one is to mix with CCTM or with the foundation. So I brought the CCTM because that's the one I am wearing for today. So this is a tiny bit of normal to medium to deep CCTM. So I'm going to show you how much I'll use. I'll Even if the video doesn't pick, will be the right amount you will use. You don't need a lot. Just mix it with your hand before you apply, and just rub it all over. So this will be CCTM with pearlizer in it. you can see the side doesn't have, and you can see the side that is mixed with. So that's why I just did half of the space, so you can see the difference on the space it doesn't have. So when you mix this, it gives like a nice highlight to the face, and it will be like, it will not be overpowering, and it's easy to mix. Like it's not like a, what is it, like a powdery finish. It is so hydrating. So and as well as it has the Senaplex complex, so it's going to still help with your cellular renewal while doing it. The next one is mixing it with an eyeshadow, the Shadow Sense. This is like a matte shade. For example, if you have to give a light bit of tint to it, you can mix it like any palette, or even here. You just take a tiny bit and mix it. Or I'm going to just, for example, I have used Americano, my all-time favorite. I'm going to just take tiny bit. This itself will be more. I'm just going to dab it here. That way it's not overpowering, and just I can place it on top. And here you will be the judge of how much you want. If you need more glow, you can always add, and as I said, you can even mix it. Do you see the difference between the one that is matte, and you can see I have added just a tiny bit of glow to it by adding, and I can add how much ever I need and just blend it. You can use a brush to blend, or you can use your just fingers to just pat on it. So that's another way to use the pearlizer. So if you want, I can make a video separately for mixing it with Shadow Sense again. And same way with the blush. So our blush is again cream to powder. So you just take a tiny drop of the blush. Again, when it comes to our blush, they are like highly pigmented. So this will be the amount you will take for the blush, and just you can add a tiny bit of pearlizer to it, and just let's mix. This is going to be even more pigmented. Unfortunately, I forgot to bring my blush applicator, but you can see how well it mixes, and then you can just apply it on your cheeks along with the blush. So all these are like different steps. You don't have to do everything in one go. I'm just showing you different ways, even with one single product, how you will be doing it. So it's up to you on how much you want to add or how little you want to add. So do you see the blush here? Like, it's like such a pretty pink. When you see it as it is, it's a little darker, but you can dilute it by adding the pearlizer here. I picked a matte shade for today. I did black cherry, because that way you can see when you add the highlighter to it. And being summer, if you're being out in your short dresses or anything, you can always add it to our shea butter body cream, or even with what say, like the body lotion. Let me mix it here. You can always mix it with the body lotion, or even the what say, like the hand cream. And do you see it? So you can always apply it in your neck, or your, when you're wearing sleeveless, you can always apply it on your hands and legs and shoulders and all, because that's again going to give you that another healthy glow. So these are like fun ways for you to mix the one product in different ways. You can see it's this will obviously give you a shine when you are out. And since being it's part of the foundation collection, obviously it's going to have that protection too for you. For example, it has orchid flower extract, which will act as the natural sunscreen, and also it has a seaweed extract, which is going to protect you from the sun. So even though it is like the purpose is like a makeup product, but still it has the protection you need. It also has vitamin E and vitamin A. As you all know, vitamin A is going to be like an exfoliant too. So there are like different levels of benefits you get with the foundation, whether it's the foundation shades are like a pearlizer. So it's going to be the same coverage and also the protection. It also has something called glucosamine, which is going to help for collagen production. So it is that is the benefit of these products. They are not only not clog your pores, being non-comedogenic, but acts as a skincare, even though they are part of our makeup line. So I never heard of anyone say that these they break out using these, because I know many people worry about that. So make sure to pick a product that is really of good quality. That way it is going to help you get the look you are looking for, but at the same time it's going to stay you protected all day while wearing it. So far we have seen it with daytime moisturizer, with CCTM foundation, as it is as a pearlizer highlighter, and then with blush scents, shadow scents, on lip scents, body cream, body lotion, as I said, the brightening hand cream. So there are plenty ways to use this product, and also it comes in the tester size too. So sometimes when you order like has certain amount, I always try to include these, because these are like fun ways for you to try before you buy. So you can also get these from me too. So hope you have enjoyed this video. See you all soon with a new content.